Welcome back to the channel. We are going to do some scouting pretty much. As you can see, I do got my saddle and all with me. The whole goal behind that is to get out here. There's a spot that I found out here at the end of the season last year that had there was a bunch of deer and a bunch of hogs in here. It was at the end of small game season. I'm gonna get in here and see if I can find it on my map again. And I'm just gonna set up and do I don't know if I'm gonna sit all afternoon because it's hot as all get out. But the main goal of today is to get out here and work any kinks out of my saddle system. Make sure everything's good to go. And I got a few things that I've added. Just want to get out here and get familiar with everything because season's right around the corner. And once it comes in, I'm gonna be ready to. I don't want to do this on opening day, sort of say. So we made it out here. When I come out here that day, I followed some hogs. I came from that direction. All the deer and the hogs I come up on came from this way, and the hogs was coming across this way, and the deer was ahead of them. This little thicket right here, they was on just this edge of that thicket, and they all run off that way. So I'm gonna get up this tree right here. I'm not gonna climb very high, you know. And the main thing is just getting comfortable with the saddle again and trying out the new stuff. But I'm still gonna get high enough to where ain't nothing really gonna see me. But the canopy's so thick right now. That's another reason why I don't want to get so high. Is I don't want to get up so high, too high to where I can't see. But I may do like a little circle right here just to make sure this is a tree I want to climb up. But it looks like it will be because it's just so thick everywhere else. I don't know what it is. I guess because you get out of that rhythm. But man, I get to where I can't hardly. My first time getting back in the saddle, I'm rusty as all get out. But I got everything set up. It took me probably twice as long as it normally does. My wind's blowing back this way. I'm expecting the deer to either come from in front of me or over here to my left. That's where I'm guessing they're gonna come from. Get my phone out and do a little bit of video and the way I got this set up, because this little thing I got my GoPro mounted on, I won't better get it off of the tree until I get ready to get down. So I got my big camera set up right here on my right side, and it's above my tethered. That way I can come over the top of it with the camera on. And I like doing it this way. See, I can squat down and shoot right up underneath it. That's one of the reasons why I lock it up above me. Sometimes it gets a little aggravating doing the camera work that way, but here we go. Got the camera. Here's that new piece I was talking about. It goes behind your hip strap there. When you tighten it down, it holds it pretty steady. But you can see I got the camera set up. You can see whenever I put this up first, get strapped in, and then I put my hip strap up and I hang my bag off of it. I always put my bag right here, a little closer to this side of the tree, That way if I need to get off my feet and sit on my knees, as you see, I don't wear no knee pads. I slide the bag over and use the bag. But anyhow, once I hang the hitch strap, I hang my bag, I pull this out, and I wired this little piece, these little S-beaners, to the inside of the strap right there. That way I can hang it right there and just let this go and it'll hang, and then I can run my strap with both hands and then ratchet it down. But that's why I put that on there, is so it I can hang this without having to hold this and try to do the straps. But that's my system to wear everything. And you can see if I need to bring the camera over, I put it on that side. Got plenty of room to work with. I think I'm gonna give it about, I say another 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes or so. I'm gonna go ahead and get down. I got some spots. If I can hoof it back to the car, get everything packed up and get back to the car, I believe I got some spots. I wanna go sit on the side of the road and use my binoculars and scan some fields, see if I can find some sitting in the fields. I kind of figured this spot. I see fresh sign. There's a bunch of fresh hog sign behind me. And they may be using this still. But as many oaks is around me, when these oaks start dropping, this would be a hot spot. It was last year when I come in here. I don't remember, there was quite a few deer and a pile of hogs all in here together. We got, I say, about an hour before it gets dark. So I'm gonna try to get packed up, get back to the car, and go check these fields. If this is the end of the video, that means I didn't see anything in these fields I'm gonna go check. So, hey, we appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned, we'll catch you on the next video.